As we get older, it's easy to quietly accept certain discomforts as inevitable. Occasional bloating, sluggish digestion, that uncomfortable sense of heaviness that lingers after meals, or the feeling of waking up tired and foggy. Many people over the age of 60 simply tolerate these sensations as just part of aging. But what if they weren't? What if there was a simple, gentle way to restore comfort and lightness, starting from the inside out? Most people don't realize that as we age, our digestive system naturally slows down. The muscles in our intestines lose some of their tone, digestion takes longer, and our ability to produce digestive enzymes decreases. Add to this a tendency to drink less water, consume less fiber, and move less than we once did, and it becomes a recipe for digestive sluggishness. This can cause waste to sit longer than it should inside the colon, slowly accumulating along the walls and quietly releasing toxins that can affect energy, mood, and even immune function. Research shows that adults over 60 can carry up to 2 pounds of residual waste in their intestines, material that's been lingering longer than it should, sticking like invisible residue. This isn't just a digestive inconvenience. It can contribute to fatigue, weakened immunity, increased inflammation, and feelings of heaviness or sluggishness that impact daily life. Many people turn to quick fixes, fiber powders, laxatives, or trendy supplements. But these often provide temporary relief while failing to address the underlying issue, a gut that's slowed down and fallen out of balance. The good news is that a natural, time-tested solution exists: a simple evening ritual, using just 3 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Imagine this. Before bed, you prepare a warm, soothing drink made of water, fresh ginger, and raw apple cider vinegar. It's not complicated, but when practiced consistently, this ritual can gently help cleanse the colon, restore digestive rhythm, and leave you waking up lighter, clearer, and more comfortable. This isn't about harsh cleanses or expensive programs. It's about giving your body a chance to return to its natural flow. Why is this ritual so effective? It works with your body's natural nighttime rhythms. As you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. It restores tissues, balances hormones, and recalibrates essential systems. Drinking this warm, gentle tonic before bed helps your body direct that nighttime energy toward digestive balance and elimination, making it easier to clear out what no longer serves you, gently and naturally.
Let's look at what happens inside the body. Warm water alone is incredibly beneficial. It helps relax intestinal muscles, softens hardened waste, and signals the digestive system to prepare for movement. Ginger adds anti-inflammatory and digestive stimulating properties, reducing gas, bloating, and cramping, while supporting smooth peristalsis. And apple cider vinegar, raw and unfiltered, helps restore a healthy pH environment in the stomach, supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and gently flushes toxins. The magic lies not just in the ingredients, but in their timing and simplicity. Consumed about 1 to 2 hours after your last meal and just before sleep, this blend supports your body when it's most prepared to heal and restore itself during rest. Most people report subtle but encouraging results after just the first night, waking up with a lighter feeling, less bloating, and an easier bowel movement. By the second night, the difference often becomes clearer. Heavier stool, sometimes darker or different in odor and appearance as older residue is cleared away. And by the third night, many describe a surprising sense of clarity, energy, and comfort, not just in the belly but throughout the body and mind. It's a powerful reminder that when we gently support our natural rhythms, our bodies know how to heal themselves. But here's where many people go wrong. They treat it as a one-time fix, and then slip back into old habits, slowly undoing their progress. The key is to take what you've learned and what your body has shown you, and build new supportive routines that honor your health every day. The simplest place to start is hydration. Each morning after waking, drink a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. This small but profound ritual wakes up the digestive tract, supports hydration, and prepares the gut for the day ahead. It's gentle and sustainable, an act of kindness toward yourself that takes less than 5 minutes but sets a tone of care and respect for the rest of the day. Food choices play a crucial role too. Aging bodies benefit from a diet rich in natural fiber, leafy greens, apples, pears, oats, chia seeds, and cooked vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes. These aren't just healthy foods in the abstract. They actively nourish and regulate your digestive system, supporting smooth elimination while feeding the beneficial bacteria that protect your gut. Just as important as what you add is what you reduce. Highly processed foods, excess sugars, heavy fried meals, and excessive alcohol burden the digestive system, contribute to inflammation and slow elimination. Choosing whole natural foods is a quiet act of respect that your body will feel in tangible ways. Lighter digestion, steadier energy, clearer mind. Movement matters too, more than most people realize. Gentle daily activity keeps the digestive system working smoothly, helps regulate blood sugar, and supports joint health, circulation, and even mood. A short walk, some simple stretches, light gardening, or time outdoors not only supports bowel regularity, but also connects you to your body's innate rhythms and needs. These habits are simple but powerful, and what makes them even more valuable is their sustainability. They don't require drastic changes, expensive supplements, or complicated programs. They invite you to gently realign with what your body naturally wants: hydration, nourishment, movement, and rest. As you continue this journey of caring for your gut, remember this: aging isn't a story of decline unless we let it be. Your body is always seeking balance. It is still capable of healing, renewal, and resilience, especially when treated with daily kindness and awareness. When you build gentle practices into your day, like your warm lemon water, nourishing meals, and light movement, you communicate something essential to your body. I am paying attention. I am honoring what you need. I want to feel good, and I trust that you know how to get there. This trust builds over time. Small shifts accumulate into profound change. Over weeks and months, you may find not just lighter digestion but deeper sleep, steadier moods, clearer mornings, and more graceful energy. You'll feel more present in your body, more connected to your day, and more empowered to care for yourself at every age. So tonight, as you prepare your warm ginger and apple cider vinegar tonic, know that you are doing more than just tending to your digestion. You are inviting your whole being, body, mind, and spirit, to move toward balance, gently and naturally. You are taking a quiet but meaningful step toward reclaiming vitality and comfort, even as the years pass. The beauty of this simple evening ritual isn't just about physical benefits. It also becomes a mental and emotional practice of self-care. For many people in their 60s and beyond, the ritual itself, pausing, preparing the warm drink, sipping slowly before bed, becomes a mindful moment, a way to say, I value myself. This mindset alone can influence the body's stress response, promoting deeper relaxation, better sleep, and a greater sense of ease. After completing 3 nights of this gentle cleanse, many people describe unexpected shifts. Beyond the digestive improvements, they notice better focus during the day, fewer aches upon waking, even a subtle lightness in mood. These changes might feel small at first, but they accumulate. A gut that functions more smoothly supports everything from immune strength to cognitive sharpness to emotional resilience. But sustaining these benefits means making small, consistent choices long after the 3-night reset. Hydration remains foundational. It's not enough to drink a glass of water here and there. The body thrives when it's regularly replenished. Warm water especially helps older adults whose bodies may not always signal thirst clearly. When you hydrate deliberately throughout the day, you ease the burden on your digestive system, your joints, your circulation, and even your skin. Eating patterns matter deeply too. Many people in their 60s and 70s grew up in a time when meals were heavy, meat-centric, and processed foods became common. But the body changes with age. Digestion slows, the ability to absorb nutrients diminishes, and the gut microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria in your colon, needs greater support. Shifting toward a diet rich in colorful vegetables, fruits, healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains can feed both you and your gut microbes, supporting long-term vitality. Fiber is especially important. Dietary fiber isn't just roughage to bulk up stool. It feeds your gut bacteria, regulates blood sugar, supports cholesterol balance, and keeps bowel movements smooth and comfortable. For many older adults, Adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to oatmeal, eating an apple with the peel, or enjoying a handful of berries daily can create a profound difference in regularity and comfort. Portion sizes and meal timing also play an important role as we age. Large, late-night meals burden a digestive system that naturally slows down in the evening. Eating smaller portions, savoring meals slowly, and finishing dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime can ease the digestive load and improve sleep quality. Physical movement, though sometimes neglected, is another essential piece of the puzzle. Simple activities like a morning walk, light gardening, or chair exercises help stimulate intestinal motility, reducing the likelihood of constipation while improving mood and maintaining muscle strength. The link between movement and digestion is direct and powerful. When you move your body, you support your gut's natural rhythm. Equally important is the mind-gut connection. Research confirms that stress, anxiety, and chronic worry directly impact digestive function, slowing motility, increasing bloating, and contributing to irregularity. Incorporating gentle stress reduction practices, whether it's meditation, slow breathing exercises, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea, can regulate the nervous system and improve gut health. Restful, sufficient sleep completes this foundation for health. Many older adults find that digestive discomfort disrupts sleep, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue and sluggish digestion. But once digestion improves, restful sleep becomes easier, and sleep itself supports digestion. It's a beautiful, self-reinforcing loop. In addition to these lifestyle practices, maintaining awareness and listening to the body becomes increasingly important with age. Changes in bowel habits can sometimes signal more serious issues. Unexplained weight loss, persistent abdominal pain, or blood in the stool should always prompt consultation with a physician. But in many cases, mild digestive sluggishness can be gently and effectively addressed through natural daily care and rituals, like this 3-night cleansing routine. Another hidden benefit of such rituals is that they empower people. Feeling a sense of agency, recognizing that your choices and routines still matter, can profoundly affect emotional well-being. Aging doesn't mean giving up control or resigning to discomfort. On the contrary, these simple, nurturing habits remind us that our health remains largely in our own hands, day after day. People who embrace this philosophy often find that improvements in digestion lead to broader changes. Feeling lighter and more comfortable after meals encourages healthier food choices. Easier bowel movements free up energy that used to be spent on discomfort or worry. Better hydration improves skin elasticity, joint comfort, and mental clarity. More restful sleep improves mood, memory, and resilience. It's all connected. And it all begins with just a few simple ingredients: warm water, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. Combined in a soothing evening ritual, these humble elements offer an invitation to restore balance, to honor the body, and to support natural rhythms that keep us healthy and vital as we age. Even beyond the physical, this practice can become a cherished part of daily life. For many, preparing and sipping this warm tonic feels like an act of kindness toward oneself, a gentle moment of pause, intention, and reflection. Some people choose to continue this ritual beyond the initial 3 nights, perhaps drinking the tonic a few evenings each week as part of an ongoing routine. Others may use it seasonally or whenever they sense that their digestion is becoming sluggish again. There's no rigid rule. The key is awareness and consistency without pressure or perfectionism. And if this small nightly practice becomes an anchor, a touchstone that reminds you to drink more water during the day, to choose wholesome meals, to walk outside, to slow down at the table, to breathe deeply before sleep, then it has done more than cleanse the colon. It has gently shifted your entire relationship with your body and health. These daily acts of care become a conversation with yourself. Not fixing or correcting, but supporting, nourishing, listening, and respecting what your body needs at this stage of life. Aging well doesn't require heroic effort. It requires quiet consistency. It requires recognizing that your body, even now, can thrive with gentle support. That your choices matter, not just because they affect your digestion, but because they affect how you feel, think, move, and connect with the world. So as you prepare this simple remedy tonight, remember that you are stepping into a tradition that honors balance, nature, and self-care. The power of warm water, ginger, and apple cider vinegar lies not only in their digestive properties, but in what they symbolize: a return to natural rhythms, a willingness to tend to oneself gently, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. You are never too old to feel better. You are never too late to reclaim comfort, clarity, and vitality. And it begins simply with a few mindful sips at bedtime, a few intentional choices during the day, and a steady, patient commitment to treating yourself with kindness. This journey is yours to take. No special products or programs required. Just attention, awareness, and the knowledge that your body is capable of responding when you care for it gently and consistently. As you move forward, remember, this is not about chasing youth or denying the natural changes of aging. It's about honoring this phase of life with grace, dignity, and love. Your health is still yours to nurture. Your well-being is still worth tending. And with every evening you choose this ritual, every morning you hydrate and nourish your body, every walk you take outdoors, every meal you prepare with care, you are saying yes to life, not in spite of aging, but because of it. You are embracing the wisdom that has always been available, that simple things done with care can create profound healing, that your body listens when you speak to it with kindness, that your choices today shape how you feel tomorrow. So tonight and every night that follows, let this gentle ritual be a reminder: you are still vital, still capable, still growing. Your digestion can be light and comfortable. Your sleep can be deep and restorative. Your days can be filled with ease and clarity. This is your time, not just to endure aging, but to thrive in it, to care for your body, mind, and spirit as you would care for something precious, because you are precious. Here's to your continued journey toward ease, comfort, and vitality.